Spider-Man has always been my favorite superhero of all time, and on this video I'm gonna show you how to make his figure. Don't forget to enjoy and leave your like if you like the figure creator. Let's begin. Creator, welcome to the third Marvel Week video. On this video I'm gonna show you how to make a Spider-Man. I'm very excited for making this video because he's my favorite superhero of all time. And on the previous video we made Hulk and Thanos, but on this video we are making at last my favorite superhero, which is Spider-Man. And I wanted to make him with his Iron Spider suit, since I think it's the hardest one. So I wanted to also challenge me with this figure, and I really think I nailed it, you could say, since I really like the end result. But I plan to repeat a Spider-Man video in the future with another suit and see how much I've improved in the time of this video to the new Spider-Man video. So don't forget to leave in the comments below which Spider-Man suit you would like for the next video, and of which movie or which other character from Marvel you would like me to do. Awesome creators, now we will start the tutorial with the thing I always start with, which is the round wood plank with a nail in the middle. This tutorial is good for polymer clay called porcelain or even regular clay, since the process is pretty much the same thing, but with polymer clay you will have to bake it. With cold porcelain you just have to let it dry with the air, and with regular clay you just have to make the figure. I personally use regular cold porcelain, since for me it's the best material there is for this kind of figures. But as you saw, I started with the round wood plank with the nail in the middle, and we just have to make a cylinder and add it on the nail, of course, then add layer by layer, as you saw, every part of his body. The easiest thing to do to make this kind of figures, I have found it to be to make a base body, you could say, and then add layer by layer to make the details. For me, honestly, Spider-Man was the easiest superhero and villain I had made for the channel, since Thanos and Hulk both have a lot of facial expressions, and the Spider-Man just literally uses a mask and his body is all a suit. So the hardest part for Spider-Man is the spider on his suit, but we will see how to make it in a second. Awesome creator. As you can see, it's pretty easy to make a Spider-Man, and I really love to make these kind of figures, since I love to make the figures as a decoration instead of a toy, you could say. So I don't always make them a full-bodied one, so instead I make them more like a statue, like you could say. I don't know if I got that right, but I really love the end result for Spider-Man. It was extremely easy, and all the Marvel Week videos I made, they have bodied figures. So most likely in the next video it will be a full-bodied one. So let me know in the comments which character you would like to see me do next. It can be even from other series, since after Spider-Man it will be the end for this week of Marvel Week videos. At least for some time, to make room for other series and movies. I would like to take this opportunity to ask you to leave your like and your comment on the video if you like the video. since that really helps the channel to reach more people, and I would really love to reach a lot of people so I can inspire people to start making art of their own. Since for me it's amazing how something so amazing can be created with your own hands, and I'm really passionate about these things, so I really hope to reach a lot of people, and for that I really need your help. So I would love for you to help me by even leaving a like, helps a lot. So if you would like to help me with that, please leave a like and subscribe, and tell your friends if you want to. And also you can follow me on Instagram, that way you will know which figure I'm working on next, and leave in the comments which character you would like, or even see some figures that I don't post on YouTube, but I do post on Instagram, so you can follow me there as well. I will leave the links down below in the comments and in the description. Amazing creators, now with the spider is an amazing example about how to make the figures the easier way, you could say. Since for the body of the spider I didn't make one single piece. Instead I made a bigger piece for the body, a smaller piece afterwards for the head, and then I joined them together, instead of trying to make the whole spider body in just one piece in the beginning, you could say, since that would be unnecessarily harder, you could say. So that's a great example of the benefits you have by making piece by piece and layer by layer for making details on a figure. So I really recommend that if you are making a figure, not necessarily this Spider-Man, as you have seen in my other videos, I always make the details layer by layer and patiently, since that almost always guarantees a good result. Amazing creators, now we are at the final stage of making Spider-Man. As you see, we only have to make the golden margins. I don't know if that's the English word, so if it isn't, I'm really sorry. But you can pause the video to see where I did these golden margins and the thickness of them. Then we only have to cover the figure with matte lacquer and we will be done. Creators, and this is how the figure turned out. I forgot to make the spider from the back, but I really love the end result and I really hope you did too. So don't forget to leave your like and I will see you on the next video. Bye, creator.